This exam application tutorial is on the reflex arc. The question for 4 marks: describe the path taken by an electrical impulse in the reflex arc. In other words, state the different parts of the reflex arc as an electrical impulse travels from receptor to effector. So, for example, a reflex arc could be involved when you touch a sharp object like a pin. So your receptors in your skin would detect that pain. Message would be sent along 3 types of neurons: sensory neuron, relay neuron, motor neuron, to the effector, which would be, for example, your muscle in your arm, which contracts and you move your hand away. That's a reflex action which doesn't involve conscious thought. It's quick because it doesn't involve conscious thought, and therefore you're less likely to harm yourself. So firstly, the electrical impulse travels from the receptor, then it travels along the sensory neuron to the central nervous system, which I've abbreviated to CNS, which you can do also. You could also say travels to a relay neuron in the central nervous system, because relay neurons make up the central nervous system, but you don't have to. The impulse then travels along a motor neuron. Think about motor for movement, so the signal's going to some part of the body which will move, and that part of the body is called the effector. So from receptor along sensory to central nervous system to motor neuron to effector. Really easy.